I tried the iPhone 17 Pro Max and the difference are exactly what might make you want it. To put it simply, this is everything the iPhone 17 Pro is, but bigger screen, bigger battery, and for many people a bigger reason to upgrade. Apple unveiled the iPhone 17 Pro Max during its keynote on September 9 alongside the iPhone 17, iPhone 17 Pro, and the ultra-thin iPhone Air. While the Pro Max doesn't rewrite the formula, it leans into size and endurance in ways the smaller Pro just can't match. After a brief but revealing hands-on session, here is what stood out. The iPhone 17 Pro Max trades last year's titanium frame for a new milled aluminum body. The result is smoother edges, a lighter feel in the hand, and honestly a fresher look than any Pro model we have had in years. There is also a bold new rectangular ceramic to glass cutout on the back that houses the familiar triple camera system. At 6.9 inches, this is a big phone, yet it is not awkward. I found it surprisingly comfortable to hold, especially thanks to the softened lines. Yes, it is slightly heavier than before, but not in a way that drags it down. For large-handed users, this is the Pro iPhone you have been waiting for. Color options are pared down to 3: silver, deep blue, and cosmic orange. The last one really pops, and it is refreshing to see Apple finally get playful with Pro finishes. If you love big screens, this is your playground. The 6.9-inch Super Retina XDR OLED is bright, fluid, and gorgeous. Apple promises a peak brightness of 3000 nits outdoors, though I didn't get it to test it under direct sunlight. As always, ProMotion delivers the battery, 1Hz to 120Hz adaptive refresh rate, and gaming looked silky smooth during my short demo. Simply put, this is the best iPhone screen ever, only bigger. On the back, the three cameras finally feel like equals. The wide, ultra-wide, and telephoto lenses are all 48 megapixel, with the telephoto capable of 4x full-raise optical zoom and up to 8x at 12 megapixel through pixel mining. In my quick test, photos looked crisp and vibrant. Through a real-world shoot will tell the full story. The selfie camera also got a serious upgrade. It is now an 18 megapixel center stage camera that lets you capture selfies in portrait or landscape without rotating the phone. It's clever and it worked flawlessly in my demo. Paired with the updated Photonic engine, I am optimistic this will be Apple's most versatile Pro camera system yet. Inside, Apple's new A19 Pro chip delivers serious performance. Built on a 3nm process, it packs 6 GPU cores with dedicated neural networks. In my brief hands-on, the phone felt snappy whether navigating iOS or running a graphic-heavy game. Apple also made some smart engineering changes. The logic board is now centered, cooled by graphite and a water-filled vapor chamber. This should help with thermal efficiency during long gaming sessions or video recording. The iPhone 17 Pro Max isn't trying to surprise you, instead it's giving you exactly what Max buyers want: the biggest, longest lasting iPhone experience. From its 6.9-inch OLED display to nearly 40 hours of promised battery life, this is Apple's ultimate Pro phone. If you want the power of the iPhone 17 Pro but need more endurance and a display that demands attention, the iPhone 17 Pro Max is the one to get. For me, the early signs point to Apple's best big phone yet.